What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another one. Here's something a little different. I generally don't do unboxing videos because I think they're super corny. But when you get a package from Moan at RVA Catapults, it's worthy of stepping into the corny realm. Here we go. Package. .7 precise, man. Thank you. 0.7 is what I use. 0.65 or 0.7. 7/16 steel. So when I got in contact with Moan, I was really into the rabbit stomper shape, and as you know, he's seen my videos and he sees my posts on the Facebook pages and stuff about slingshot hunting. So he was like, dude, we're doing Elmer Fudd. And that tied in with like the request I made that didn't have any steel in it or any metals at all, because I hunt in the cold, and that the color scheme be kind of like olive green and orange, like hunter orange. So he put together this frame for me, and it's finally here. You ready? I'm ready. Let's see what we got. Bubble wrap. Oh yeah. We got the Ride the Lightning fork. It's a Rabbit Stomper Natural. Looks like spalted oak. Pretty groovy. He gives one of these with every fork he makes so that people can get tuned up on these. These handle a fork hit much better than a very expensive high-end frame. But yeah, that's cool. Like that shape a lot. Very cool. We got some pink bands. Some other pink bands. I wonder if this is Kieran Lee. I really like Kieran Lee latex. I'll have to call him and ask. We got one of these flappy spinners. His stickers are pretty dope. The moment of truth. What we've all been waiting for. Oh yeah, that's a thing of beauty. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, some rabbits are gonna die. That's the way. Elmer Fudd themed. 100mm forks. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Thanks, buddy. I'm gonna get this banded up and put some rounds through it. It's raining, as it has been for the last, I don't know, week and a half. Anyway, RVA Catapults, Moan sent me this stunning piece. You just watched me unwrap. I'll put a few shots through it. I got sniper sling in hunter green, because if you're gonna have a fancy ass slingshot, you might as well have bands and a pouch to match. Look at that. Look at that. Fancy, fancy. This is like the fanciest thing I own. Let's see how she shoots. 12 yards. We'll go for that pheasant head down there first. a dead bird. We'll go for the spoon up above it next. That spoon's my go-to rabbit target. It's a rabbit stomper shape. It's only appropriate that we shoot at rabbit targets. I'll shoot at both targets down there on the bottom. We'll start with the spoon on the right-hand side, bottom catch box. That's a dead bunny. That's a dead bunny. I don't know how many in a row that was, but ain't nothing wrong with this. It's beautiful. It looks like it's all G10, and I think he calls this leather stone, but I believe that's just stacked leather that's been saturated in epoxy and sanded and buffed out. Man, this whole thing is smooth. The shape's real nice. It's the correct dimensions, which is real important to me. For those of you who follow the channel, you know that I shoot like 100mm frame pretty exclusively, because I can just pick up whatever frame if it's 100mm from here to here. Or for those of you in America, 4 inches. But yeah, if I can pick it up and it's 100mm, it's the same aiming as all my other slingshots. So yeah, unboxing videos are kind of corny, but this is worth it. Moan at RVA Catapults. Go get you one. He also just put out a YouTube channel too, so if you're not following him, go do that. Just search RVA Catapults. See you on the next one.